Hi, my name is Jose Luis, and I want to talk about my website. It's about a Pokemon topic. How did I develop this website? Well, this website I used a Bootstrap menu, and this Bootstrap menu takes you from one page to another page without any problem. After that, we have the index page. This index page has a quick introduction of what are the topics that this website wants to cover. And after that, we have an order list. This order list has a color, and also I have an unordered list that has another color. And a quick mention is that this for this page I used a SCSS style sheet. Is this one? So for this one I used some variables, and many of them I used them for the control of the margin and also for the inheritance. For example, for this one, for the text message that appears at the beginning of the page, it's for example the text 1, text 2, and the text 3, and they have different colors that are these ones. So basically for this page it would be all, and for the other pages I have a different background, as you can see. And for this one, this page, I like this page because I used a grid. This grid has two columns. The first column is for the text, and the second column is for the image. So for the image, I used a special property. I used the width property. So for example, if I want to resize the page, as you can see, also the image is resizing. Right now it has a resizing width of 50%. And also, all of these pages have a special feature that is, if I try to resize the window, and if I have a width of I think it's 400 pxd, the background is going to change, also the font size, as you can see right now. And in order to do that, I used another CSS style sheet, that is this one. And this is the media query that I used in order to change the background image. When the max width was for 499, the image was going to change to this PNG image. After that, we have the other page that is the timeline. The timeline only has a table. This table has some table rows that have different background color, and the table header has another table color. Also forgot to mention that I have this text color. This text color is being controlled by a selector. The selector is a text, and all this text is a text align justify and a margin of 2%. Basically, that would be all of the properties that I used for this style sheet. And the characters page, I used a grid. For this grid, I used six columns. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. For this grid, I had to use a class that is this one, they call SM4. And also this class, the row justify content, because I wanted to use the H4 for the name of the characters, and I wanted to use a different color and a different style also for the content of the description of each of the characters. After that, we have the page of the generations. Basically, this one is a simple page. I only just mentioned the start year of generation and when it ends. For example, for the first generation, it all began at the 1996, and and the first generation ended at the 1999. So that would be all. Hope that you liked how this website works, and also hope that all you like all the functionality that all this website has. Take care. See ya.